Hi everyone, I hope everybody's doing well. So today I want to talk about the fact that we need to claim our title. Uh, what do I mean by that? It's if you believe you're a singer, you're a writer, you're a dancer, or you're a runner, don't let society define that for you. Don't let society tell you, no, you're not. So I don't know how to summarize this in a title, but yeah, that's the main idea. I've heard many people saying, oh, I'm not a writer because I am not published. I'm not a published author. I'm not a singer because I don't have a record deal. I am not a runner because I didn't go to the Olympics yet, things like that. But I just want to say to people that you have the right to define your identity. You have the right to define who you want to be. It doesn't have to be real in your life right now, but when you make the decision to be that person, now you can work toward making this real in your life. So, for example, in my case, I always dreamed to be a singer when I was a little girl, since I was 5 and everything. But because I didn't learn music theory, I don't play any instruments. In my head, for years, I've been telling myself that, it's impossible. Just give up. You're not a real singer because you're not on the TV. You don't have a record deal, and yeah, things like that. But over time, I've discovered that many people were in my situation, but some of them just decided to call themselves singers. I am a singer. I don't, sorry. I don't care what other people are saying, as long as I can continue to practice singing in my everyday life, even if I don't go on stage, big stages of 5 million people. I don't even know if that's possible. 20,000 people, being on stage like Beyonce and, Rihanna and, those big singers. That means I am not a singer. No. So those people, they taught me that I need to feel that in my body, in my soul. Why do I need to sing? Because this is something that I need. I cannot explain why, but when I started to practice singing, let's say more often in my life, and when I incorporated it in my schedule, so now I have days where I know I sing, I practice singing, I make my songs. Now I feel more fulfilled because I am singing in my life. I can say that I am a singer. You don't see me on TV, you don't see me with the big names, but because in my life I am doing what I love, I consider myself as a singer. That's it. So if you are a writer, if you are an athlete, if you are something else, if you are an entrepreneur, even if it's not real in your life right now, or even if it's not bringing you any money yet, just keep going because your soul actually needs it. If you are if you are led to do something, it's for a reason, because it doesn't appear like all of a sudden, oh, I want to write, I want to dance. No, it came out of somewhere, and you need to trust that somewhere. I don't know what it is. I would call this my intuition. I would call this, it's coming from the universe. But yeah, I just respect it. I just honor it. I just put it in my calendar, and I just do it every day. Not every day, but as often as possible. And I feel fulfilled because I'm doing that. So every time, when I was a little girl, when I was younger, let's say, I had friends who danced, and I was with them all the time. I didn't dance regularly, but sometimes I was joining them and we did shows together. But now many of them have just given up, and it made me really sad when I saw that, because you know, as a young person, when you do this thing, it's because your soul knows that this is what you're supposed to do or to be. But if you give up, you many people are depressed in their life because they don't do what they are supposed to do. They don't do what makes them feel happy. They don't have this kind of hobbies that can become something successful tomorrow. But that's not the point. The point is to continue to practice it in your life, to have it in your life on a regular basis. So don't give up. If you like to, I don't know, if you like to sew, if you like to sing, if you like to create DIYs, if you like to do crafting, whatever, just keep doing it. Some people likes to do hair, some people likes to draw, just keep doing it. If you like to write, just keep writing. And if you want to be a published author, just look for the path and apply and continue to write and continue to apply. Don't let other people define what you want to be or tell you that you don't deserve to be what you want to be just because right now you don't have the same thing as the big names we see on TV. We don't all have to be that way. So if you sing in a choir, it's already good because you're practicing singing. Now, if you can become a big name tomorrow, great. But just keep practicing this. If you give up, for sure, you won't become a big name. But if you keep practicing, you will feel fulfilled, your soul will feel happy, and then maybe at some point you're gonna get a record deal or a book deal, a publishing deal. That can happen, and that's a great thing. But you need to practice first. It's not gonna come like this. So for my people who doubt themselves just because other people tell them it's impossible, you're not this, you don't have what it takes, you don't have it right now, don't listen to them. Just listen to what you have in your heart, in your soul, and that's it. So if you have questions about this subject, or if you want to, to testify about the fact that practicing what your soul needs is fulfilling for your life, please leave a comments below, and I'm gonna read them, and I'm gonna respond to your questions if you have some as quickly as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like the video if you like it, and share it with other people if you find it useful. In the meantime, I am telling you to have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye.